This is the Canada goldenrod. It does have some medicinal uses, but today we're going to talk about a little trick someone taught me years ago, how to get bait or protein uh, in different stages, like winter time when you really can't find anything. Uh, but the goldenrod itself, healthy, is just a plant, but there's a parasite. There's a parasite called the goldenrod gallfly, and what it does is it lays its eggs inside of the healthy young stem, and as it grows, it'll get a bulbous area. Here's one right here, and I don't think it does not just pertain to the Canada goldenrod. There's many types of goldenrod, and I think they inhabit a lot of those, if not all. But what happens is the larva lives inside of here. It's going to have shelter, water, and some food in there to last it throughout the winter while it grows. And then it's going to turn into a pupa, and then it's going to come out as an adult fly in early spring. But late, as the season grows, the maggot itself, the larva, continues to grow and gets bigger, which is better for bait. But you can start harvesting these in late summer. But as winter comes on, like I said, they get bigger, and that's when you're really going to need to find another source of bait anyway. Protein, it'd be a lot of work to cut all these open to get the little teeny maggot out of here and eat them, if you want to eat a maggot anyway. But as they say, pound for pound, insect larvae has more protein than venison or beef. But once again, you got to take into account how much work you're going to put in for the small amount of protein that's in there. These stand throughout winter, and this is what they look like in the winter. Obviously, I found these in the spring when I picked these up, and you can see he came out already. There's also a wasp that specifically eats these, and sometimes they dig in there and take them out too. So if you see a hole, even one of these little pinholes like this, you don't even worry about that gall. Go for another one. I'll cut this open real quick, see if we can find one. Occasionally you'll find just a vacant hole in there. I don't know why, but they usually live slightly under half, down past the middle. And I usually just stick it on a board, cut right in half, and then go from there. But for the camera here, okay, you can see him right there. He's just a little maggot. I'll put him in my hand. Just a little guy. Like I said, it would take a lot of work to get enough for protein. But if you had to need some type of supplement of protein, you could do that. I mean, hopefully it wouldn't come down to that. But once again, it gets probably 2 to 3 times this size during the winter, and looks more like a maggot. And you could harvest them for bait and to get yourself something bigger. It's a little trick that someone showed me. I figured I'd pass it on. Until next time, guys.